This is Linda. I'm in my studio, and I just wanted to show you that I have my painting here that's completely dry, and I'm going to do a final wax coat with this Dorland's Cold Wax Medium. So I have a container of it here that it's smaller, easier for me to handle. I've taken the tape off of my painting and all the edges are cleaned. Now I'm just going to apply some cold wax medium. I think I'm going to start over here. We'll just start. Just want to give it a really nice coat of the cold wax. Okay, well, I'm trying to check all the different angles, and it looks fairly evenly coated. I don't see any too thick globs. And I think I'm just gonna let it set, and then tomorrow I will give it a good buff, and it'll give it a nice satin sheen, and any little marks or stripes or anything like that that may have occurred will just be buffed right out on the wax. So I think that'll be good. All right, so I think I'm going to let it set. I'm just going to, oh, I have to do the edges still, so I'm going to do that. I'll turn the camera off for that part because I don't think you need to see that. And then we'll be done. And tomorrow, once it's had a good chance to set and it's not too sticky, that's when I'm going to do the buffing. There. All right, I think I'm going to stop now. Thanks for joining me.